What's going on, you guys? It's George and welcome back to my channel. Or welcome to my channel. My name is George and today, guys, I found gold. I struck gold at Marshall's. I could not believe my eyes when I came across this contraption. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. I like Valjean Labs. I love Valjean Labs. I appreciate this brand called Valjean Labs. If you're not familiar with who they are, I will link all my reviews of their products down below. But this is basically a brand that specializes within skincare. They have serums, they have moisturizers, they have stuff such as a facial steamer, such as this. This is the Ionic facial steamer. And basically this is a at-home spa quality type of steamer for your face. So in today's video, we are doing a full review, an unboxing, a first impressions, all in one. So if you're interested in my review on the Ionic facial steamer by Valjean Labs, then keep on watching. Finally, somebody in one of my recent videos told me that I can find Valjean Labs products online. They're actually by a retailer called Jocot Brands, and of course I'll link it down below. And this is kind of like an online retailer that sells many different brands of products. And I found this facial steamer on this website. This was actually listed for $30 online. I got this for $14.99 at Marshall's. This was the very last one, and I knew this existed before I seen it in the store, but I just never thought that I'd find it like at TJ Maxx and Marshall's or anywhere that I typically find the Valjean Labs products. So like I said, I struck gold. I got lucky. Right now I'm kind of like trying to find different techniques to minimize my pores. I don't know what it is, whether I'm trying out too many products, the weather changing, my allergies, I don't know what it is, but my pores lately have been taking a beating and they need some therapy. So hopefully this does it some justice. Before we open this up, let me describe to you guys what exactly this claims to do. If you're not like familiar with facial steamers, basically they're meant to help clean out your pores. In other words, it says to use daily for a healthier, younger looking complexion. It opens pores to help remove blackheads, delivers ionic micro steam to infuse hydration. It's amazing. It's elegant and portable design. All right, we love all of that. So with that being said, let's open this bad boy up and see what is inside. And this is clearly the first time opening this, and I cannot wait to see what this looks like. Kind of looks like a miniature trash can. Oh, all right. Looks very futuristic, I have to say. Does not feel cheap, and I was hoping that this did not feel too like lightweight and plasticky, but honestly this feels like pretty good quality. Yes, it is plastic, but I don't know, it doesn't feel flimsy or anything, so love that. The back does have an adapter, and I'm pumped that this is not battery operated because, guys, I do not like battery operated stuff. I feel like they're very annoying. Oh wow, looks like you could actually hang this up if you wanted to. I don't know how I would hang this anywhere, but that's great. The box does provide directions on how to use this, so we're gonna follow that step by step. First one says, remove water tank, unscrew cap, and fill with purified water. So, got some purified smart water here, because we're smart like that. And where the heck is the tank? This looks like it comes off, so I guess we could try this. No, I don't know what the heck that is. There's directions in the box. Let me take a look here. The directions are calling this an egg facial ion steamer. The website also calls it something else, but the box says the Ionic facial steamer. So we're just gonna go with that. Took me long enough, but I found the water tank, and it actually is in this. I don't know how I did not realize that before, but you just screw off the top right here, and the tank is right there. So let's go ahead and fill this up with some water. Get started. There's no like level, like, you know, some things will say like max, like this amount. It doesn't have that, so I guess we'll play it safe and not like fill it up to the top. We'll just do a little bit. That should be good. Okay, and she is on. It's in place, and let me just plug her in. And I'm actually gonna change the like view of the camera so you guys can get a real inside scoop of how this works. All right, so as you guys can see, the steamer is right here. That's the steamer. Ready to start using this, guys. The next step within the process just says to secure the tank cap tightly, replace water tank, and plug in steamer. So that's all set, ready to go. Just to let you guys know though, my face is cleansed. It's completely clean. It's a little dry though because I showered a little bit before this. If you're wondering like why the heck I look so fancy in like a sweater, it's because I'm filming a video and I don't want to look like, you know, trash. So let's make my face a little bit more hydrated before I turn on this steamer and get ready for this at-home spa treatment that we're hoping for. So let's turn it on, and it's on. I don't see anything happening just yet. You could actually move the nozzle, which is great. Well, I guess not move it a lot because it won't go down anymore, but yeah. And it says here to turn on the steamer, steam face for up to 10 minutes, and then turn off and wipe steamer dry. That's the only steps and the how-to that it provides on the box. Looks like it's already steaming. Could you guys see that? Maybe it's not close enough. Watch it like squirt out of my face. That'd be such a nightmare. Oh, wow. It smells like a humidifier. I don't know how close I should be getting to this. I don't think too close is a great idea, but this is pretty nice. I'm gonna read the instructions again because I think I might be a little too close to this. I found it. Okay, so in the directions, of course, I don't know why I just didn't read this in full before, you know, making this video, but that's what first impressions are for, all right? It says to facial sauna. The face keep the 20 centimeter distance from the vents. Replenishment time around 10 minutes. Okay, so 20 centimeters. I'm not really great at like measuring stuff, so I'm definitely closer than 20 centimeters. Oh my god, my hair is starting to fall flat. This is not good. I think I'm over this, but if you guys get the picture, this is very therapeutic, I must say. Alright guys, that was my experience using the facial steamer by Valjean Labs. I love this thing. This is probably one of my new favorite products I've tried in like a long time. This is awesome. I have to say, like, I have a sauna at my gym and this provides a very similar like experience to the face. It doesn't make me sweat, but what it does is gives me that like heated feeling on my face with like vapor, and I can feel my pores like decluttering. I don't know what you want to call it, but it's an amazing feeling. $14.99 if you guys come across this. I have to say, just pick it up. Do yourself that favor. Do your face or your pores that favor and check this out, guys. I'll also leave a link below where you can find this online. If you want to invest the 30 bucks, it's even worth that. I know. 30 bucks is not a lot, but yeah, it's worth it. Yet again, another Valjean Labs product that did not disappoint. And guys, again, I'm not a paid sponsor or an affiliate from Valjean Labs, just to stress that. I wish I was. If you guys are watching this video, please hit me up. I would highly appreciate it. You're welcome. So this was gifted to me by my partner's cousin, and it is beautiful. Wait till you see this. This is a leather backpack, handcrafted in Peru, and Pirina, thank you so much. This is honestly one of the best gifts I've ever received, because if you know me, people, backpacks, I do not go anywhere without my backpack. And this, first off, the shade of leather is beautiful. The craftsmanship in this, everything, the smell. I love the smell of leather. It's amazing. I almost forgot, guys. I've actually had one of the best experiences of my life. Starbucks to me is like oxygen to like most human beings, and my family and I went to a Starbucks Reserve Roastery, I think it's called, and basically the experience was in New York City, and it is an experience, like, to say the least. They not only have like so much coffee, but it's like the most gourmet Starbucks I was ever in. They have a bar, they have food, they have products like this, which my sister-in-law actually gifted this to me. This is a favorite of mine. And guys, I collect Starbucks cups in almost every location that I go to. I like their travel mugs, but this is my new favorite. Look how beautiful this is. It's the R for the Reserve. Oh my god, I love it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully I influenced you to check out Valjean Labs products and also this beauty right here, the Ionic Facial Steamer. And I promise you will not be disappointed. So if you enjoyed this video, please do me the favor and give this a thumbs up. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. That is much appreciated. Goes a long way. Share this video, share the love, and also hit the notification bell because I upload videos weekly, so you might as well follow me on this YouTube journey. And if you're not already, my Instagram is in one of these corners, so give that a follow. And until next time, guys, like always, please say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.